150 sentences for beginners. Sean helps his parents. Negative. Sean doesn't help his parents. Yes/no question. Does Sean help his parents? WH question. Who does Sean help? Tag question. Sean helps his parents, doesn't he? The ball is red. Negative. The ball isn't red. Yes/no question. Is the ball red? WH question. What is red? Tag question. The ball is red, isn't it? We have a picnic. Negative. We don't have a picnic. Yes/no question. Do we have a picnic? WH question. What do we have? Tag question. We have a picnic, don't we? The kitchen is clean. Negative. The kitchen isn't clean. Yes/no question. Is the kitchen clean? WH question. How is the kitchen? Tag question. The kitchen is clean, isn't it? My dog swims in the pool. Negative. My dog doesn't swim in the pool. Yes/no question. Does my dog swim in the pool? WH question. Where does my dog swim? Tag question. My dog swims in the pool, doesn't it?